Have you wondered how to make every child successful at school and in your classroom? Did you know you can make every child perform well? You might not have given a serious thought to it. Now, through this channel Beyond Books, we will unravel a lot of things related to learning in classroom which have never been focused so far. By watching these videos and implementing these ideas, you will certainly become a wow teacher and make every child successful. Have you ever thought of all the listed professions? The one that most of us are familiar with is the teaching profession, because we have gone to school for nearly 12 years or more. Hence, our school experience as a student leaves certain impressions in our minds about teaching and learning. Of course, this makes us learn a lot of things unknowingly, which impacts our understanding and style of teaching. Our familiarity with most things that happen at school gives us the confidence to move on, which is certainly good. However, the understanding of teaching profession is skewed. People think teaching is a simple and unexciting job. Many feel that teachers simply control students and speak what they know. Everyone feels teaching is easy. Definitely not. We mimic our own teachers so easily because we have learnt many things through observation from a very small age. It's time now to have a more contemporary and objective outlook. We should shed some of the ideas of a teacher that we picked up when we went to school. I appeal to all the teacher aspirants and new teachers to remove these imprints and feel empowered to transform children into potential performers. What exactly should we do? We should become responsible for all the learners in the classroom. How do we achieve this? Well, let me share the secrets if you are serious about your role. As a teacher, you have to follow 3 things. Number 1, commit yourself to the development of each and every child in your classroom. This simply means you have to understand and work with every child in your classroom and ensure their progress. Number 2, understand the mental makeup, psychological and emotional needs of every child because every child is different. Children fail to learn not because they lack the ability, but because something bothers them. Number 3, every child should be comfortable to approach the teacher to learn, share, and inquire. Do you give time and support to every individual in your classroom? Do you approach them if they fail to approach you? These are small things, but will surely bring success to every child. A successful teacher is one who makes every child successful. Hope this video helps you to have a proper insight into your role as a teacher. So get ready to impact every child because you are in the 21st century classroom and you are called to make every child successful. For more details, follow the subsequent videos.